Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to create API keys on CoinDCX. First, log into your CoinDCX account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on your Profiles section in the top right. In the Profile menu, select API Dashboard. Click on Create New API. Give your API a label name, for example, Trado Connect. Do not enable the Bind API to IP address option. Then click Send OTP. An OTP will be sent to your registered email and mobile number. Enter the OTP and click Create. Once the API is created, immediately copy your API key, and click View Secret Key to copy the secret key as well. Save both keys securely in a safe place. These two keys are all you need to connect CoinDCX with other platforms. That's it. Your API keys are now ready. Thank you for watching.